In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $12 every 10 minutes by watching YouTube videos. I know if you go on YouTube and you type this in, you're gonna see a lot of videos like this, but this one is going to be off the hook. I'm showing you a brand new method that I have not seen on YouTube as yet. This is a underground method that no one have showed as yet. Also, I'm gonna show you a free traffic source where you're going to get traffic from that no one is also showing, and you won't have to think about doing any selling. You don't have to show your face. You won't have to worry about buying anything. You don't have to have a website. Again, this is worldwide. Let's jump into the video. First, I want you to go to Google and I want you to type in play button PNG and download one of these PNG play button, not the one with the black or not the one with the red. Download any one of this one, or any one of these, all right? And then what I want you to do, please stay till the end of the video because I promise you, you most likely never seen this method before. I want you to come to Bentley. Bentley is a link shortening website and I want you to sign up for a free account. It won't be costing you anything. I just went ahead and signed up for one and give it a test, and see, I already got one click there and I just had it done. Anyways, after doing that, I want you to head back over to YouTube and I want you to type in caught and camera. Whenever you type in caught and camera, the next thing you're gonna do, I want you to sort by gravity. If you don't see any videos here over a million, let's take a look. See, I want you to find videos, for instance, like this one, 2 weeks ago, 2.5 million. All right, but we're still gonna look for something else. All right, let's go here and sort by views and also sort by this week. So we're looking for something that is fairly new. All right, so look at this. 6 days ago, 3.1 million views. Look at this here, 6 days ago, 2.1 million views. All right, so let's go down further and see what happens. All right, this one is 3 days ago. Let's use this one for example. So you'll click on it. So when you go to the video, this is what I want you to do. Press on share. You're gonna copy the link. All right, when you copy the link, you're gonna go back to Bentley and you're gonna have the link short. So you're gonna press create right there and you're gonna paste your link right here and you're gonna create. All right, and then you're gonna have a new shortened link, and here is it. So you can copy this link. I'm gonna save it right here so whenever I come back I can see it, but you can copy the link and save it to your clipboard or something. All right, so what I want you to do after you find this video and you also copy the link, look at the name of the video and you're gonna come here where the thumbnail is. You're gonna find the thumbnail of the video. All right, and you're gonna save it to your computer. When you save the video, I want you to come over to this website called Canva. And please, I'm asking you, subscribe if you haven't. All right, you're gonna come to Canva and you're gonna search for Pinterest pin. So when it opens, you're gonna click on blank. The thumbnail that you downloaded, you're gonna put it right here. So you're gonna let this get a bit bigger. All right, there you go. Then you're gonna add a different color to the background so it will match. All right, let's see about this one. Nah, this one. Yeah, but nah. All right, let us go with this one. I like this one. So when you put that there, what you're gonna do, you're gonna add some text to this. All right, and please wait till the end of the video so you can see everything that's going on. If you skip, you won't see everything. So you'll add some text here. You're gonna go back to the video. You're gonna look what's the name of the video. All right, so here is it. You're gonna copy the name. You're gonna come back here. You're gonna paste in the name, and I will soon be showing you a traffic source that you have never seen before. All right, so we're gonna put that on bold, and we're also gonna change the font. We're gonna use this one right here, and let's give it some space right here as well, and resize it so it will be easier to see. Now what we want to do, we want to add some flair to this so it can be easier to see as well. So let's change these things here. You'll put these at the bottom exactly to the right, and the two at the top, you put them exactly to the left. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna add this in black. You see how it braff? All right, then what we're gonna do now is duplicate, and when you do it like that, it looked even better. Duplicate once more. We're gonna let it stay just like that, and then now what you're gonna do, the PNG that you downloaded with the play button, you're also gonna add it. You're gonna come here and you're gonna take out some of the color out of it. So yeah, all right, it's getting beautiful. So stick with me, and who haven't subscribed, please, I'm asking you to subscribe, and you can leave a comment and let me know if you like the video or if there is something else you would do, and also if you have ever seen this method before. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna download this. So you go ahead and you download it, and now you're gonna go to Pinterest. If you don't have a Pinterest account, it's free to create one. So alright, you can go ahead and you can sign up for a Pinterest account. So I'm inside of my Pinterest account, and now what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on your profile icon right here, and then you're gonna click on this plus option. Then you're gonna click on create pin. When you click on create pin, the same photo you just downloaded, you're gonna drag it and drop it right here. All right, just like that. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab the title and you're gonna put the title right here, so everything is the same thing. So what we're gonna do also, we're gonna go back to the video and we're gonna try to get a bit of their description. You don't have to get all of it, but get some of the description so you don't have to write your own. You won't be telling any lies or anything. You're just adding what's there. All right, so with this method, you don't have to do anything whatsoever. You don't have to show your face. All you gotta do is to repurpose these videos that is already working, and persons will come here, they will click, and you will earn money from Bentley. And there is also a different way of earning with this. And the thing is, if I get 100 like on this video, I'm going to create the next video showing you how you can also go about earning more from this method. All right, so you will come back to Pinterest after you grab the link from Bentley, and you'll paste your link right here. All right, so that's how it's gonna look. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna click save. So after you post this on Pinterest, it will be in the eyes of millions. All right, so a lot of persons will be able to come here. They're gonna click and they're gonna view the video, and the video is already trending, and you're not hurting the person's video that you're sending them to. You're even giving them more traffic. In turn, you're getting paid. So here is it. It bring you right back to the video, and that's it. And if you like this method and you want to try it, go ahead and give it a try right away. Comment and tell me what you like about the video, and if you known of this method before, and don't leave without subscribing. All right, it was nice doing this video for you. We're out.